Hello my lovely, so today I'm going to go to the Zara sale. It starts today. I think the date is the 25th today. Is it 25th? Where's my phone? It's 26th, sorry. So the Zara sale started online yesterday on the 25th, but I wanted to go in store today to just see the pieces in person. I wanted to get a few bits for my holiday that's coming up, and I just know that when I shop online, I just put things in my basket that I wouldn't actually pick up if I didn't go in store. So I thought I'd go there this morning. I'm heading there for 10 AM so that it's nice and quiet and not too hectic. It's not gonna be quiet, but it's the weekday and I'm just like, you know what, there's a chance that it's not gonna be too busy. So that's where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try and record everything that hopefully the change rooms are open, but I wanna record everything I try on and show you guys what's there. I haven't shopped in Zara in a while. So I don't really know what to expect. I've not really been, I don't know, I've just not been shopping there. So hopefully I can find some stuff because, but I'll take you along and fingers crossed we find something. And then I might go and get some lunch there as well, depending on how long I'm out there for. There's like a Cambodian Thai place that I like to go to, so I might go there. So yeah. Tina's in a little bit of a mood just because obviously I'm not taking her with me. Normally if I'm going shopping I'll take her, but just today I can't because I might go and get some food, so I'm sorry, Cal. Mummy's sweet. I'm currently heading over to the Zara now. The streets are nice and quiet, so I'm very happy, and it's promising that it's not going to be too busy. Okay, so I'm in the changing room right now and I've got quite a few pieces, so I'm very, very happy. I realised that I'm probably going to get copyrighted just because of the background music, but basically I was very excited by that polka dot dress I just showed. That was the main reason I went to Zara, and it was the last one I saw there, and I picked it up and I was super excited. So that's the reason why I'm towards the camera, and I'm about to show you guys everything that I picked up. I picked up this skirt. It's a no for me. Absolute no. It's nice and flowy, but it's just too basic. I was looking for like a flowy skirt, but I'm not sure. Because I'm so tall, things just aren't long enough for me. The thing is, I like it. I love this. This is great. Strange creamy lining on the inside. I do not know. I don't even know how to put this on. It's a mess. I really like this. I haven't got a bra on right now, but I love this. Pants fit perfect. Just a basic tank top. It's literally like £4. Hello my lovelies, I am back home. I look quite dishevelled just because I stepped out the station and it started smashing down with rain. So I'm back home and I've got the goods. I'm going to try everything on for you just to show you guys what it looked like because in the change rooms it was quite restricted and it was quite difficult for me to record basically the outfits on. If you guys are interested in any of the items, I got them today, so run on down there and get them. I know that with like the Zara sale it tends to like get discounted as time goes on, but there was a few items I really wanted, so I had to go there now, and luckily I got the item that I wanted and a few extras, so I'm very, very happy. If there's any particular item I try on that you liked, let me know and I'll try and find the code for you guys. So this is the first dress. I wasn't sure at first just because of this little number, but I absolutely love it on. I think it's beautiful. I'm 5'11" for reference, and it's just the right length for me. So if you're a little bit shorter, it'll be the perfect length for you. It's gorgeous. So this is the dress that I was hoping to purchase, and I was literally so lucky. It was the only size that was there. And it was sitting there by itself, and I just feel like it was a message from God to be like, here, this is a treat for you for, you know, just a treat. I've been feeling down and God knew that I needed something. I needed a little pick me up. I absolutely love this dress. I didn't realise it actually has like a bodysuit inbuilt to it. So it's quite comfortable and it's a bit see-through, so I think that's why it's got the bodysuit inside. I absolutely love this, and especially because of my height, I'm in shock that it's this long on me. It's so pretty, and this is the back. If you're somebody that doesn't like a see-through dress, this might not be for you, but obviously you could wear something underneath it to, you know, camouflage a bit of the cheek that's showing. But I think it's stunning. If you're a bit of a bigger bust, you're going to obviously have more cleavage on show. Even for me, this is quite revealing. Sorry, I just want. Every time I see someone walk past the window, I get paranoid. Yeah, so if you've got a bigger bust than me, it is quite small, so you might want to upsize. But I love it. Absolutely love it. Everything I got is in a size small, just for reference for anybody. And I'm 5'11". The next piece is this two-piece. I love this. The shorts alone with the thing that kind of like done it for me. They fit really, really nicely. I wasn't expecting to like this actually. I thought I would just grab the shorts and not the top, but I actually really like it together. I think it's going to be really nice on my holiday. And then I also got this satin halter neck top, and I really like it with these shorts. I'm going to pair it together on holiday. I'm kind of upset that I didn't grab the black now. I feel like I should have got the black as well to go to I can't speak. I feel like I should have got the black as well. But I feel like the white was more holiday-ish, but I might go back and grab the black because I just love the way this looks, and the way it feels is super, super nice. It's like double layered. It's not too thin, and I just feel like I love a cow neck, and I already have a cow neck, sorry, but it's quite revealing, whereas this is it's covered up. I feel like it's a nice little slouch, and it's beautiful. So I'm really happy with this. This wasn't on sale. This was full price. I believe it was like $22.99, but I really wanted this anyway, so I'm happy I picked it up. Okay, so guys, that is it for this video. I'm really sorry for the angle. It's just I'm looking hella awkward, but thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you liked any of the items, please let me know down below and I can try and link it for you. I really enjoy the Zara stuff, so if you need a few pieces for your holiday, definitely go and have a look. But yeah, see you guys.